Right, we'll start chapter 7 now. We'll start chapter 7. Then 8:45 onwards, we'll discuss status. Right. Monali, did we discuss process of accounting? Tanvi, did we discuss process of accounting?
No, sir.
No, right. Right. Write the topic on your writing book. Write the topic chapter 7 primary book. Write the topic chapter 7 primary book. Chapter 7 primary book. Chapter 7 primary book. Until 8:45, until 8:45 we discuss chapter 7. Right, you can write down primary book. Write down the chapter 7 primary book. Okay, right. Right, then here right, Tamai, accounting process starts with what? What is the first point of accounting process? Accounting process starts with what? Accounting process starts with transaction and events. Already we have discussed. In our workpack 4, in page number 4, we discuss the transaction and event. Okay, transaction means what? Exchanging resources, business with another party. Transaction. Okay, in our chapter 4 tuition, in our workpack 4 tuition, you have written the meaning of transaction. Exchanging resources. Okay, exchanging resources with another party by a business organization. Transaction. What are the events? Events means some of the incidents happened in the business. Some of the incidents happen in the business organization. Then out of those events that can be measured in terms of money considered in accounting. Transaction also said transactions which can be measured in terms of money considered in accounting. Okay, considered in accounting. Already we have discussed the meaning of transaction and event. Right, then accounting process starts with transactions and events. Accounting process starts with transactions and events. Then after occurring a transaction or event in the business organization, they prepare source document. We'll discuss. They prepare source document. For example, if you purchase something from Harville City issue a bill. If you purchase something from Kiel Supermarket issue a bill. That bill is a source document. Let's say your mother asks you to bring something from the Kiel Supermarket, and your mother gave you 1,000 rupees. Then after coming home, at first your mother will request from you, give me the bill. Give me the bill. Then that is the proof document. That is the evidence regarding the transaction. Then that is a source document in your house. That is a source document. So then, in a business organization also same thing. In a business also same thing. After occurring a transaction and events, they prepare source document regarding the transaction. We'll discuss source document. They prepare source document. Then, using the source document details, business prepare primary books. Primary books. Using the source document details, business prepare primary books. Primary books. Okay, transaction event, source document, and then primary book. This process is extremely important. Extremely important. Most of the time, examiner tests questions from process of accounting, even in advanced level. Even in advanced level, examiner tests process of accounting. Okay, process of accounting. Then, after occurring transaction event, business prepare source document. Then they prepare primary books. Then they prepare primary books. What are the primary books available in the business? Already, sometimes you may have learned. What are the primary books in the business organization? Cash book, one of the primary book. Bank account, one of the primary book. Petty cash book, another primary book. Purchase journal, another primary book. Sales journal, another primary book. Last one is general journal. These are the primary books discussed in O level. These are the primary books discussed in O level. Cash book, bank account, petty cash book, purchase journal, sales journal, general journal. For these primary books, there are different types of source documents. There are different types of source documents. Source document means initial document. Okay, let's say today, yesterday I deposited some amount for my lease. Okay, for the lease installment in People's Leasing Finance PLC. Then once I deposited that amount through the ATM machine issue a bill. Then this bill is a source document. That is a source document. Then in a business organization, for each and every transaction, there's a source document. There's a source document. That is the initial document, one of the evidence regarding the transaction. One of the evidence regarding the transaction. Okay, yeah? Then source documents, 100% practical. Already we have discussed. Accounting is a practical subject. Accounting is 100% practical subject. Okay, then in a business organization, okay, we can identify source document for each and every transaction. Each and every transaction in a business organization. Okay, right. Then after preparing source document, they prepare primary books. Primary books also 100% practical. 100% practical. There are another two primary books. Okay, which are not discussed in O level. Purchase return journal, sales return journal. Those are not discussed in O level. Okay, these primary books are 100% practical. Bank cash book, bank account, petty cash book, purchase journal, sales journal, general journal. Practical things. Then, after preparing primary books by the business organization, what they do, they prepare ledger accounts. They prepare ledger accounts. They prepare ledger accounts. What are the types of ledger accounts in a business organization? Today, I think pizzas are missing. Pizzas are missing. Absolutely. Yes. Right, Lamai, what are the types of ledger accounts in a business organization? Types of ledger accounts? Nadilya, what are the elements of accounting, Nadilya?
assets,
Huh?
equity, liability, income, expense.
All right. Those are the elements of accounting. Those are the elements of accounting. Then what are the types of accounts? Same types of accounts. Asset account, liability account, asset account, liability account, equity account, income account, and expenses account. These are the types of ledger accounts in the business organization. These are the types of ledger accounts in the business organization. Okay, elements of accounting: assets, liability, equity, income, and expenses. Those are the elements. As well as those are the types of ledger accounts in the business organization: asset accounts, liability accounts, equity accounts, income accounts, and expenses accounts. Those are the 5 types of ledger accounts. Then after preparing primary books, we need to open ledger accounts. Already we have discussed. I gave you the logical understanding regarding ledger accounts. Now no need to worry about the double entries. Why? Double entries, part of accounting. In O level, if you don't know double entries, most of the time you will lose marks. Therefore, we discuss double entries. I gave you the logical idea regarding double entries. Okay, if you want to refresh the knowledge, please watch my videos again. Okay, please refresh your knowledge. Double entry knowledge. Extremely important. Okay, right. Then ledger accounts already we have discussed. Then after preparing ledger accounts, what they do? They prepare trial balance. Chapter 11, written chapter 11. Already we have discussed trial balance as well. Trial balance also already we have discussed. Trial balance. We discussed trial balance. Okay, we have discussed trial balance. Then after preparing trial balance, what they do? They prepare financial statements. One day we discussed. I think day before last day we discussed something regarding financial statements. Financial statements we can discuss in grade 11. Grade 11, chapter 4 and 5. But I gave you some idea regarding financial statements. Under financial statements, we need to prepare. What we need to prepare? We need to prepare profit and loss statement and statement of financial position. Under financial statements, what we need to prepare? We need to prepare profit and loss statement and statement of financial position. These are the final outcomes, final result in accounting. If you are the accountant of the business organization, after preparing primary books and ledger accounts, you need to prepare financial statements. These financial statements are the information that you can provide it to stakeholders. These are the financial information you need to submit to stakeholders. Stakeholders request these financial information. Stakeholders request these financial statements from you. If you are the accountant of the business, you have a liability to provide this information to stakeholders. Then after referring these financial statements, they can take various decisions regarding the business organization. Okay, therefore, these financial statements are extremely important for the stakeholders. Okay, these financial information extremely important for the stakeholders. Okay, right. Give me 1 minute. This is Yes, Tisasna, you need to write down chapter 7. Chapter 7, primary books. Chapter 7, primary book. Right. Now, everyone need to write down this process. Quickly write down this process. Process of accounting. Okay. After the chapter 7 primary book, write down small topic. Process of accounting. Okay, here write down process of accounting. Process of accounting, right? Then write down this process. Write down this process. Transactional events, source documents, primary books. What are the primary books? Cash book, bank account, petty cash book, purchase journal, sales journal, general journal, then ledger accounts, trial balance, financial statements. Write down this process. Financial statements, then profit and loss statement, statement of financial position, then stakeholders. Right. Today we will discuss until 8:45. Until 8:45 we will discuss primary books and source documents. Primary books and source documents. Okay. After 8:45 we will move into discuss paper. Quickly write down this process of accounting. If you have any doubt, please tell me. Please tell me. Quickly write down this process. Right. Then this is the process of accounting. Right. Then the final requirement of accounting is to providing information to stakeholders. Final result. Final requirement is to providing information to stakeholders. I will show you the Colombo Stock Exchange. Look at this one. Look at the Colombo Stock Exchange. I will show you. These are the financial information provided by the Colombo Stock Exchange, Colombo share market to stakeholders. My Alimax PLC, Colombo Stock Exchange, Alimax PLC. Colombo Stock Exchange, Alimax PLC. Through this website, we can see financial statements. Alimax PLC, one of the largest company. Here you can see share volume of share. Turnover, market capitalization, how much? 5 billion. Market capitalization 5 billion. Then here, financial statement, financials. Here you can see, these are the financial statements. These are the financial statements, annual report. Through this annual report, you can get required information regarding the business organization, Alimax PLC. Here, quarter reports, interim financial statements. Right. Other reports, quarterly financial reports. Here, latest financial reports. Submitted date or 2nd August. 2nd August. This information should be provided to stakeholders. These are the information should be provided to stakeholders by the Alimax PLC. One of the largest company belongs to Dhammika Pereira. One of the largest company belongs to Dhammika Pereira. Now, Alimax PLC interim report. Here you can see revenue result, total sales. Total sales. Here you can see other income, administration expenses, here statement of comprehensive income, statement of financial position. These are 100% practical things. Practical. Practical. 100% practical. These are 100% practical things. Statement of financial position. Almax PLC. Okay, cash flow statement. Clear. Okay, right. Now, practical things. These are 100% practical information. Practical things. Practical things. Okay, Colombo Stock Exchange. Almax PLC. Almax PLC. Okay, right. Then the purpose of accounting is what? Providing information to stakeholders regarding the business. To take various decisions, you need to submit financial information to stakeholders. If you are an investor, okay, you can go to the Colombo Stock Exchange and you can study financial statements of different companies. Then, if you want to purchase shares, you can purchase shares. You can purchase shares of those companies. Right. But Lamai, these financial statements starts with transaction events. Transaction events. After preparing transaction events, this is prepared source document. Lamai, to prepare these financial statements in the business organization, there's a complex process. Then final result of that complex process is preparing financial statements. But before preparing these statements, we need to prepare source document, primary books, ledger accounts, file balance. Okay, right. Then with chapter 7, we discuss source document and primary book. What are the primary books in the business? Cash book, bank account, petty cash book, purchase journal, sales journal, general journal. In the cash book, we can record. Already we have discussed cash book. Cash account, already we have discussed. No need to worry about cash book. You know the method of preparing cash book. Cash inflow debit, cash outflow credit. Cash inflow debit, cash outflow credit. Already we have discussed. Therefore, no need to worry about cash book. Then, in the cash book, we record all the cash transactions of the business. Cash inflows and cash outflows. Then, in the bank account, we can record transactions conducted with the bank. Bank account also similar to cash book. No need to put extra effort to learn bank account. If you know the theory of cash book, bank account is easy. And then petty cash book. Petty cash book also somewhat similar to cash book, but there's a small difference. We'll discuss petty cash book. Try to get the logical idea. And then again, no need to spend extra time to learn regarding petty cash book. Try to get the logical understanding through this class. And then purchase journal easy, sales journal easy, general journal also easy. Try to get the logical idea. Then in the cash book, we record cash transactions. In the bank account, we record transactions conducted with the bank, especially checks transaction. If you are doing your own business, you need to get the checkbook. Then transaction with bank account, we can record in bank account. In the petty cash book, we can record small cash payments in a business. In the petty cash book, we can record small cash payments in a business organization. And then in the purchase journal, we record credit purchases. In the purchase journal, we record credit purchases of trade stock. Then in the sales journal, we record credit sales of trading stock. Business sell on credit basis, stocks of the business. Then in the sales journal, we record credit sales of trading stock. And then in the general journal, other transactions we'll discuss. Right, come on. Go to grade 10 textbook. Quickly go to grade 10 textbook. Grade 10 textbook, page number 78. Page number 78, grade 10 textbook. Page number 78, grade 10 textbook. I haven't included theoretical parts in my work pack. All the theories we will discuss through the textbook. Please get the textbook. Please get the textbook and then go to page number 78. Go to page number 78. Okay, that's fine. Right. Then here we will highlight important parts. Right. Prospera. Right. Rushda, read this Prospera. Rushda.
There may be issues in recording the business transactions in the ledger accounts directly as they take place. Hence, before the transactions are recorded in ledger accounts, they should be recorded in a separate set of books known as the parliamentary books.
I think here there may be issues in recording the business transaction in ledger account directly as they take place. Now, once a transaction occurred in a business, we can record the ledger accounts at first. Once a transaction happened, we can record all the transaction at first in ledger account. Then there may be different issues. There may be different errors. Therefore, at first we need to record those transactions in a primary book. Okay, right. Then here, look at the sentence again. Hence, before the transactions are recorded in ledger account, they should be recorded in a separate set of books known as primary books. Okay, right. And then, read the second para. Atmika. Atmika, read the second para. Atmika.
Okay. The primary
Right. But in here, the primary books are the books in which the transaction of a business are recorded at first. At first transaction, we need to record the primary books. According to the order in which each transaction had occurred by using a generally accepted method before recording them in ledger accounts. Before recording transaction in ledger accounts, at first we need to record those transactions in primary books. Lamai, please highlight this sentence. Please highlight this one. Please highlight. The primary books are the books in which the transaction of the business are recorded at first. Please highlight. Please highlight this sentence. Please highlight this sentence. Okay, please highlight. Right. And then primary books are also named as journals, day books, and subsidiary books. These are the other names for primary books. Other names. Please highlight journals, day books, and subsidiary books. Please highlight. Okay, some of the names used to describe primary books: journals, purchase journal, sales journal. Okay, now sales day book, purchase day book, subsidiary books. Some of the names that we can use to introduce primary books. Okay, right, and then next para. Next para, Anusara. Anusara next para, Anusara.
It is not suitable to record all the transactions in a single prime entry book. Hence, the transactions have to be classified and recorded based on their nature and other common characteristics. Accordingly, the transactions which are similar in nature and occur recurrently should be recorded in different prime entry books.
We can't record all the transactions in a single prime entry book. We can't record all the transactions in a single prime entry book. Depending on their nature, we use different prime entry books. Okay, depending on the nature of transactions, we use different prime entry books. Okay, like then here, please highlight this point. Please highlight this point. The transactions which are similar in nature and occur recurrently should be recorded in different primary books. Please highlight. The transactions which are similar in nature and occur recurrently should be recorded in different primary books. Okay, right. And then here, right, we will look at the types of primary books. These are the types of primary books in the business organization. We are in page number 78. Page number 78. Huh? Page number 78. Right. First one is cash book. In the cash book, what we record? They will record cash. Please read the note for the cash book.
Transactions related to the receipt and payment of cash.
Transactions related to receipt and payment of cash. You know, already we have discussed. Right then, second one, next one, bank account. What are the transactions recorded in the bank account? Hirodhya. Read the note, Hirodhya. Hirodhya, read the note, Hirodhya.
Transactions carried out through the bank current account.
Transactions carried out through the bank current account. We record in the bank account. We discussed the meaning of current account. If you have a current account, you can transact using checks. Checks transaction can be done through the current account. Okay, we discuss. By then, in the petty cash book, we record petty cash transaction, small cash payment, petty cash transaction. Then, in the purchase of trade, in the purchase journal, we record purchase of trade goods on credit. Purchase of trade goods on credit. Trade goods. Now, what are the trade goods? Now, please highlight trade goods. Trade goods means what? Trade goods means inventory or stocks purchased with resale purpose. Okay, trade goods means stock or inventory purchased with resale purpose. Right? Trade goods, please highlight and under this one write down. Under this trade stock write down. Under this one write down trade stock. Trade stock Trade stock means stock or inventory. Inventory purchased with resale purpose. Right. Under trade stock, write down in small letters. Write down using your pencil or pen. Write down. Trade stock means stocks or inventory purchased with resale purpose. Stocks or inventory purchased with resale purpose. Resale purpose. Okay, now you purchase stocks with resale purpose. That is the stock of the business. Okay. If you are doing a retail business, retail shop. Okay. Items purchased with resale purpose. Okay, right here. Items purchased with resale purpose. If you are doing a motor vehicle selling business, then motor vehicle sale purchase with resale purpose. Trade stock. Trade stock. Okay, right. Write down under trade stock. Huh? Stock or inventory purchase with resale purpose. Okay, right. Next one. Sale. Then go to next one. Sales journal. In the sales journal, we record sales of trade stocks on credit. Same thing. Huh? Trade goods means same. Trade goods. Sale of trade goods means on credit. In the general journal, other transactions we will discuss. In the general journal, we record other transactions. We will discuss what are the other transactions. Later we discuss. Okay, next right. Right. Primary books. In primary books, at first we need to record transaction in a business organization before recording in ledger account. Then what are the other names for primary books? Journals, day books, and subsidiary books. Okay, then to record similar transactions, we use separate primary books. Then these are the primary books you need to learn. Cash book, petty cash book, bank account, purchase journal, sales journal, general journal. These are the primary books. These are the primary books. Then you can go to the content of the textbook. In the content, this is a syllabus. Then with chapter 8, we can discuss cash book and petty cash book. Already you know the meaning of cash book, but we will discuss the structure of the cash book and petty cash book. Then bank account and bank reconciliation. Okay, bank account, another primary book. Then purchase journal, sales journal, general journal, and after that trial balance. Already we have discussed something regarding trial balance, and then last session is correction of errors. Okay, right. Then now we will move into discuss a paper. Balance part of the paper. Lamai, please take your paper book. I will send you the soft copy. Right here, the soft copy for other students. And grade 10 students, please get the paper book. Grade 10 paper book is cost is 800. If you haven't purchased the paper book, please get the paper book. Because I think in your areas the printing cost is very high. Cost of this paper book is 800 rupees. Okay, fine. Therefore, if you want to get this paper book, please send a message and I will send you the details. Okay, I think most of the students in this class purchase the paper book. Only few. I think some few students have not purchased a paper book. Therefore, try to get the paper book. Then, if you have the paper book, it is easy to do papers. Okay, it is easy to do papers. Okay, some of the new students have not purchased a paper book. Then cost is 800. You can deposit cash to my account, and then I will arrange the paper book And then in grade 10, I have only 2 or 3 printed paper book up to now. Again, I need to print the paper book. Yes, I think I have only 2 or 3 printed paper book. Right, then we will go to the paper. We'll go to the paper. I think, right. Give me 1 minute, I will set the paper. Right, තමයි you can go to the book to get the paper. I send the paper to the paper. Sorry, to the group. Look at the group. Right, in this paper, right, go to this paper. Set around as Northwestern province. In your paper book, paper 4. Paper 4. This should be the paper 4. Paper 4. Okay, write down paper 4 on this paper. Write down paper 4. And then up to question number 20 we have. Up to question number 20 we have discussed. 20 or 21. This paper normally is up to question number 20 or 21.
20, sir.
20, right. Right. Up to question 20 we have discussed. Then 21 onwards we'll discuss now. 21 onwards we'll discuss now. Right. Up to 20. So, quickly look at this 20. For registering a sole proprietorship, the relevant application should be obtained from divisional secretary office. From the divisional secretariat office, you can get required documents to register your sole proprietorship business organization. Okay. In work pack 3, I have included those documents as well. Look at the work pack 3. Look at the work pack 3. In work pack 3, I have included those documents that you can collect from the divisional secretary office to register your sole proprietorship business or partnership business. Okay, right. To register sole proprietorship and partnership business organization, we use same procedure. Okay, to register sole proprietorship or partnership business, you can collect required documents from the Divisional Secretary Office. Divisional Secretary Office. Okay, right. Then question number 20 already we have discussed. Question number 20 already we have discussed. Right now we will move into question number 21. Question number 21. Right. Look at the question number 21. Get the answer. Get the answer for the question number 21.
Fourth
Select
one.
the criteria which is not considered for classification of business organization according to 21 we have discussed. Ne?
No, sir.
No, right. Then, right. What is the answer for the question number 21? 21. Yes, Sandhya, answer is correct.
Fourth one.
Yes, these are some, yes, correct. Yes. Answer is what? Fourth one. Profit objective of the business. Tamai, what are the criteria that we use to classify a business organization based on scale? What are the criteria? What are the criteria? Huh? What are the criteria? We have 4 criteria. Number of employees. Number of employees. And then energy consumption. Energy consumption. Next one. Capital amount. Capital. We can use invested capital amount. And then fourth one, market share. We can use market share to classify business organization based on scale. To classify business organization based on scale. Okay. In grade 10, page number. In grade 10, page number 27. Grade 10, page number 27. Amount of capital invested, number of employees, amount of energy used, market share of the business. Okay, market share of the business. Then here, answer is what? Fourth one is answer. Fourth one is answer. If you're sending messages, please send messages to host. Okay, send messages to host. Right then, answer is fourth one. Huh? Answer is fourth one. Right. Question number 22. What is the answer for the question number 22? The main objective of accounting is, what is the answer?
Second one.
Then others?
Second one.
Yes. Rushda, correct. Inuki? Inuki, you need to check that. Anuswara, yes. Sanjali, correct. Tisasna, correct. Right, then the answer is what? Providing various required information to stakeholders of the business. The main purpose of accounting. Main purpose of accounting. Yes, Atmika, correct. Huh? Answer is correct, Atmika. Right. Then, question number 23. What is the answer for the question number 23? Resources controlled by the business as a result of past transaction and from which future economic benefits are expected to flow into the business are called as. What is the answer for the question number 23?
Asset.
Yes, assets. Second one is answer. Okay, second one is answer. Second one is answer. Assets. Okay, the answer is second one. Answer is second one. Okay, then right. Right, next one. Look at the question number 24. What is the answer for the question number 24? Following are some type of accounts in column X and some accounts in column Y. Select the answer which is match column X and Y. What is the answer? For the question number 24.
Third one.
Right.
Third.
Another? Yes. Right. You Rushda, correct. Yes, Atmika, yes, correct. Sanjali, correct. Right there. What's the answer? Yes, third one is answer. Third one. Third one is answer. Asset account, debtors, liability account, liability account, bank loan, equity account, capital, income account, sales, expenses account, commission paid, expenses account. Right. Correct answer. Correct. All right. Look at the question number 25. Look at the question number 25. It is affected to increase both asset and equity of the business. Question number 25. What's the answer?
First one.
Yes. Yes. Answer correct. Sanjali correct. Vanita correct. Atmika, yes, correct. Rushta correct. Yes. Yes. Right. Yes. Inuki correct. Huh? Answer is correct. Yes. First one is answer. Owner invested additional capital 100,000. Kamai, if you want to discuss one of the question in detail, okay, please send a message. Please send a message. So you can open the mic and tell me. If you want to discuss something in detail, please tell me. Fine. Question 25 answer is
Third
Question-
one. Third one, madam. Sir. Third one.
no. Question 25 person is answer.
No, I would 26. Answer is third one. 26.
Right. 25. Villager. Right. Right. Then we will go move into question 26.
Third one.
Third one. Right. Following transaction occurred in month of May 2018 of Jivanta's business. Using those transactions, answer the question number 26 to 28. Right. Select the transaction affect to increase the liabilities of the business. Religious answer is third one. Then others.
Third one.
Yes. Question number 26. First answer. Yes.
Third.
Third one is answer. Yes. Rusla correct. Yasindu correct. Right. Sanjali correct. Third one is answer. Third one. Received a bank loan of 100,000. Asset increase, liability increase. Asset increase, liability increase. Third one is answer. Right. Question number 27. The expense of this business. What are the expenses of this business? What's the answer for the question 27?
Fourth one.
Fourth one.
Fourth one.
Fourth one. Okay. Others? Yes, Yasudu correct. Rusta correct. Anita correct. Yes, Admita correct. Right. Sanjali, yes, correct. What's the answer? Fourth one is answer. Fourth one. Why? We paid 5,000 monthly rent expense. Expense. He paid salary 5,000 expense. Rent expense and salary expense. Fourth one is answer. Question number 27. Fourth one is answer. Yes, Inuki correct. Right. Look at the question number 28. Look at the question number 28. Right, then here, the impact of transaction B to the accounting equation is. What is the answer for the question number 28?
Second one.
Okay, right?
Yeah. May
Yes.
B. May
Question number 28.
B and D. Fourth one. B and fourth one is the answer for 20. Yeah.
Both are right. Yes, now here answer is second one. Second one is answer. Sold goods which were purchased 10,000 for 50,000 on credit basis. On credit basis. So then, stock of the business decreased by 10,000. Debtor asset increased by 15,000. And then equity of the business increased by 5,000. Answer is second one. Second one is answer. Okay, for the question number 20, second one is answer. Second one. Second one is answer. Right. Okay, clear, right? Yes, it will be correct. Now, if you want to explain something in detail, please let me know. Right. We will go to question number 29. What is the answer for the question number 29? Asset minus equity minus. What is the possible answer? Select the
Page-
transaction for the above information. What's the answer?
Paid salary is 18,000.
First one.
In others?
First one. First one.
First one.
First one.
Yes, correct. Answer correct. Absolutely correct. Aatmika, yes, answer is correct. Pushpa, correct. Yes, right. Then what are others? Thanvi. Yes, Rama, answer is first one. Paid salary 18,000. Paid salary 18,000. Huh? Right. 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 Answer is first one. Right. Then, Rama, we'll take 5 minutes break. We'll take 5 minutes break. I think in my area there is a heavy rain also. We'll take 10 minutes break. After 10 minutes, we will start again. Huh? 10 minutes break. Now time is 9:10. Again at 9:20 we will start. 10 minutes break. Huh? 10 minutes break. Right, we will start next question. We will start next. Huh? Right. Right, Lamai, what is the answer for the question number 30? What is the answer for the question number 30? Yes,
First one.
first one. But others? Yes, Anusara, yes, yes, answer is correct, Anusara. Yes, Monali correct. Right, Lamai, what is the answer for the question number 30? Sarah, what is the answer for the question number 30, Sarah?
First one.
First one. Yes, this is not correct. Yes, Sinuki, correct. Right, then here, question number 30, question number 30. Kamaya, question number 30. Answer is second one. Liability decrease debit, increase credit. Liability decrease debit. We can't take first one. In first one, look at the first one. Expenses decrease debit. No. Expenses decrease credit. Increase debit. For example, let's say if you paid salary expense. If you paid salary expense of 5,000, cash book credit salary 5,000, salary expense account debit 5,000, salary expense account debit 5,000. Expenses increase debit. Expenses increase debit, decrease credit. Okay, increase debit, decrease credit. Therefore, we can't take first one. Look at the second one. Liability decrease debit, increase credit. Yes, here. Look at the second one. Let's say you obtain a bank loan. Then cash book debit. Let's say 50,000. Cash book debit, bank loan 50,000. Cash inflow debit, cash outflow credit. Then cash book debit 50,000 bank loan, and then bank loan account credit. bank loan account, credit 50,000. Here cash. Here cash. Cash book debit 50,000. Bank loan account credit 50,000. Increase in liability. Liability credit. Liability credit. Increase in liability. Liability credit. Increase in liability. Okay then. Increase in liability. Liability account credit. Let's say you paid 12,000 to settle bank loan. You paid 12,000 bank loan installment. You paid 12,000 bank loan installment. Then cash outflow. Then cash book credit 12,000. Bank loan account credit 12,000. Bank loan account debit 12,000. Here increase liability. Liability account credit. Liability account credit. Decrease liability. Liability account debit. Okay. Increase liability. Liability credit. Decrease liability. Liability account debit. Liability account debit. Okay then. Clear it right. Let's see here. Increase asset. Asset account debit. Decrease asset. Asset account credit. Increase asset. Decrease asset. Get it right. Then answer for the question number 30. Answer for the question number 30. Answer for the question number 30. Second one. Second one is answer. Okay, second one is answer. Right. And then second one. All right. Look at the question number 31. Question number 31. Commission income of Tharusi's business was 5,000. Commission received account is. What is answer for the 31? Yes, correct. This is correct. Yes, Iruki Mushta correct, right? And then first answer. Munal, yes, correct. And income account. Both are answer. Yes, correct. Right. Yes, Jasidu correct. Right. Commission income, one of the income account. One of the income account of the business. Okay, right. Then now we will move into question number 32. Look at the question number 32. What's the answer for the question number 32? Get the answer for the question number 32.
Second one.
Select the group consists only assets account. What's the answer?
Second one.
Yes, second one is answer. Tisasna correct. Sanjali, yes, correct. Monali, yes. Sara, Rusla, yes. Second one is answer. Ilupi, yes, correct. Second one is answer. Stock account, furniture account, debtors account. Okay, second one is answer. Right. Question number 23. Sorry, question number 33. Question number 33. Question number 33. What's the answer for the question number 33? Fixed deposit interest income is 25,000 of Kasul's business. The relevant journal entry is.
Fourth one.
Yes, what's the answer? Yes,
Fourth
right.
Fourth
one.
one. Fourth
Yes,
one.
fourth one is answer. Fourth one is answer. Correct. Huh? Right. Here, actually, there is no any words regarding the received 60% interest. But anyway, we will consider this 25,000 has been collected by the business. If the business organization collected this 25,000, cash book debit, fixed deposit, interest income account is credit. Okay, we will consider this 25,000 collected by the business. So 33, fourth one is answer. Right. Then look at the question number 34. The collection of all the accounts of a business is called as. What is the answer for the question number 34?
Second one.
Yes.
First
Yes.
one.
Right. Then,
Second one.
yes. Yes. Second one is answer. Second one is answer. Lamai, grade 10 textbook. We will go to grade 10 textbook. Look at the grade 10 textbook. Grade 10 textbook. Grade 10. Page number. Grade 10. Go to page number 74. Yes, Inuki correct. Right, Inuki, you are very good. Page 74. Grade 10 textbook, page number 74. Go to 74, page grade 10. Right, now go to page number 74. The ledger. The ledger means what? The place where we include all the accounts of the business. Ledger. Ledger means what? The place where we include all the ledger accounts in the business organization. It may be a book. Sometimes it may be a pen drive. Maybe. Hard disk. Maybe. The place where we include all the ledger accounts in the business organization. That is called ledger. Right. Here, we will look at the meaning of ledger according to your textbook. Already we have discussed. I think the meaning of ledger already we have discussed. Okay. With our tube we discussed. With our tube we discussed. Which one? Under the introduction to accounting. Yes. In our tube, page number 21. Right there. And then already we have highlighted. A collection of all accounts is called the ledger. Is called ledger. Okay, right. Page number 74, grade 10 textbook. Right. Right. Okay, second one is answer. Then go to page number 34. Sorry. Go to page number 35. Right, Lamai, what's the answer for the page number 35? Name the relevant source document which is recorded transaction in the sales journal. Sales journal.
Journal voucher.
Yes, we will discuss later. We will discuss. Right. The name the relevant source document which is used to record transaction in sales journal. Lamai, sales invoice. Invoice is answer. Okay, invoice is answer. Answer is invoice. Answer is invoice. Right. Give me 1 minute. 37. Still we haven't discussed. Alright, 37 we can do. 36. Sorry. Right. Anyway, we will discuss. Anyway, we will discuss. Right. Fourth one is answer. Fourth one is answer. In the sales journal, we record right there. To the sales journal, source document is sales invoice. Okay, sales invoice is the source document. Invoice. Answer is fourth one. Right. Yes, Anjali correct. No. Fourth one is the answer. Right. Question 36. Select the primary book which is fulfill dual functions. We'll discuss later. Here, cash book perform dual functions. We'll discuss. With chapter 8, we'll discuss cash book. Cash book has dual functions. What is a dual function? Dual function means cash book. This is a cash book. This is a cash book. Then here, cash book is a ledger account. Cash book is a ledger account. It has two sides, debit side and credit side. Cash book is a ledger account. Okay, it has two sides, debit side and credit side. Then acting as a ledger account, one of the function of cash book, one of the tasks of cash book, one of the activity of cash book. Acting as a ledger account. Sorry, yes, acting as a ledger account. One of the function. Another function is cash book act as a prime entry book. Prime entry book. Cash book is one of the prime entry book. Bank account is one of the prime entry book. Petty cash book one of the prime entry book. Okay, with chapter we can discuss, huh? Right. Then these are the dual functions of cash book. Acting as a ledger account, acting as a prime entry book. Dual functions. And these dual functions applicable for cash book, bank account and petty cash book. Bank account, in bank account, dual functions are acting as a ledger account, acting as a primary book. Same theory applicable for petty cash book as well. Petty cash book act as a primary book, act as a ledger account. In petty cash book, we can identify two sides, debit side and credit side. Okay, right. Then answer for this question is cash book. Cash book. Cash book is the answer. Right. Okay. For the question number 36, cash book is the answer. Right. Look at the question number 37. Select the transaction which record only in cash book. Already we discussed transactions recorded in the cash book. Right, then what is the answer? Transactions recorded only in the cash book. Okay, anyway, later we can discuss. This is again transaction recorded in the cash book.
First one.
First one. Receiving commission income, cash purchases, counter purchases. Yes, answer is correct. Answer is correct. First one is answer. Receiving commission income, cash purchases, counter purchases. Yes, first one is answer. First one is answer. Okay, first one is answer. Right. Look at the question number 38. 38. A credit balance of bank account is shown that the business has. Ramai, if you have some idea regarding bank account, can you give me the answer for this question number 38?
A bank overdraft.
Yes, bank overdraft. Under the current liability, when we discuss in chapter 4, I gave you this example. Bank overdraft. Ramai, what do you mean by bank overdraft? Bank overdraft means what? We'll discuss later. Right. What do you mean by bank overdraft? Right. Bank overdraft means let's say in your bank account, bank account similar to cash book. Bank account is similar to cash book, huh? Right. Let's say in your bank account you have opening balance of 10,000. In your bank account you have opening balance of 10,000. You have only 10,000 in your bank account, in your current account. But today you need to pay 30,000 to one of your supplier. You have a payable balance to one of the supplier 30,000 and he is requesting that amount. You need to pay 30,000 to one of your supplier. If you fail to pay that 30,000 to supplier, he will not supply their products to business organization. You need to protect your supplier. But in your bank account, you have only 10,000 rupees. Then what to do? You can discuss with your bank manager. Let's say you have a current account in Sampath Bank. Then this bank account is Sampath Bank. Sampath Bank current account. Then you can discuss with the Sampath Bank branch manager. In my account, I have only 10,000 rupees. But today I need to pay 30,000 to one of my supplier. Therefore, you can discuss with manager to pay this 30,000. After discussing with the manager, you can issue a 30,000 check to supplier. Okay, after discussing with manager, you issued a 30,000 check to supplier. Creditor. Then what is the double entry of the 30,000? Bank account credit 30,000. Creditors account debit. Creditors account debit 30,000. Then here bank. You issue 10,000 check to supplier. Then after receiving 30,000 check by the supplier, creditor, he will present that check to the bank, Sampath Bank, and he will get money. Okay, after receiving this 30,000 to supplier, 30,000 check to supplier, he can present this check to the bank to collect cash. But in your account, you have only 10,000. But already you have discussed with the manager to get overdraft facility. After presenting this check by the supplier, the Sampath Bank will pay 30,000 to your supplier. They will pay 30,000 to your supplier. Right now, available balance in your current account is how much? In your Sampath Bank, available balance is 30,000. 30,000 transferred to this side, 30,000. Then 30,000 minus 10,000. Balance carried down 20,000. Balance brought forward 20,000. Now you have a minus balance in your bank account. Now you have a minus balance, negative balance in your bank account. Then this is called bank overdraft. 20,000 bank overdraft. Liability in your business. Let's say you discuss with the manager to deposit 20,000 into your bank account after 2 days. With that agreement, the bank paid this 30,000 to supplier. Then you have a liability. You have a responsibility to deposit 20,000 into your Sampath Bank current account within 2 days. If you fail to deposit 20,000 within 2 days into your Sampath Bank account, sometimes you will be unable to get a bank overdraft again in future. Bank manager trusted your word. With the trust, bank manager paid 30,000 to your supplier. But if you fail to deposit 20,000 into your bank account, according to your agreement, into your current account, then again you will be unable to get bank overdraft. Okay, and then bank overdraft is one of the liability, one of the short-term liability, current liability.
Excuse me, bro.
Yes.
Sir, is it a oral agreement or written agreement?
No, written agreement. Oral as well as written. You need to send a letter to the bank requesting bank overdraft.
Okay, sir.
Okay. After creating that letter, quickly you need to scan that document and send to the bank. Okay, now based on the written agreement. Then after sending the scan copy, later you need to submit that hard copy as well. Hard copy as well. Okay, now, at first you need to get the written agreement. With the written agreement, you issue the check. Once issue the check, you prepare the document and quickly you need to send to the bank. Okay, right. So this is called bank overdraft. With chapter 9, we can discuss bank overdraft again. That is a simple idea. There is no a sufficient balance in your bank account to pay some amount. Therefore, you can agree with the bank manager to get the bank overdraft facility. Then, exceeding your available balance in your bank account, the bank will allow to pay in cash. The bank will allow to issue checks. Okay. I have seen one of the English company, Sampath Bank has allowed to issue checks around like 100 million. Yes, bank overdraft facility is 100 million. 100 million bank overdraft facility. Then up to 100 million, they can issue checks. Okay, 100 million bank overdraft facility. 100 million. Okay, right. That is called bank overdraft. Short-term liability. Yeah, short-term liability. And then here, right. Then question 30 first answer. Answer is first one. Huh? Answer is first one. Question 38. Right. Look at the question 39. The check was received from cash share 70,000 was deposited at the same time. The relevant journal entry. You collected 70,000 check. Then was a double entry. First of all, let's say received the check, received cash. Okay, and received check quickly you deposited in the bank account.
Second
What's
one.
the double entry for the question 39?
Second one.
Right? And then others, what are others? 39, what's the answer? Yes, second one is answer. Bank account debit, sales account credit. Lamai, we can discuss these things again. Later we'll discuss. Because of this paper, okay, we need to complete this one. Okay, that is why we are doing these things. Right? Bank account debit, sales account credit. Right. Look at the question number 40. Look at the question number 40. What's the answer for the question number 30? 40. A check received from a debtor Amal had been deposited in the bank and the check was dishonored by the bank. Nilamai, dishonored by the bank. The dishonored check, how to record? Answer is Lamai, third one is answer. Debtor account debit, bank account. Lamai, dishonoring of this check means Lamai returning check. Check return. We'll discuss. Then here dishonor, returning. Then the dishonor check means let's say like this. Let's say right. Let's say this is a bank account and debtor account. Let's say you collected 10,000 check from a debtor. Then how to record double entry? Bank account debit 10,000 debtor account credit 10,000 bank. Debtor account credit 10,000 bank. You collected 10,000 check from a debtor. But later that check was dishonored by the bank, returned by the bank. Return means although you deposited this 10,000 in your bank account, you are unable to collect cash into your bank account. The bank refused to collect cash for this check. We'll discuss reasons for dishonoring of check later. Okay, then here the bank returned this check. Then, if bank return this check, you need to reverse this entry. The same entry, you need to reverse. How to reverse this entry? Bank account credit 10,000. Bank account credit 10,000. Debtor account debit 10,000. You need to remove 10,000 from bank, and then again you need to debit 10,000 to your debtor account. Bank credit, debtor account, debit. Okay, right, that is the answer. Right. If the name, signature, or the date or incorrectly also, please resolve. Yes, this is not. Yes. We'll discuss reasons for the disorderly checks later, right? Then what's the answer? Debtor account debit, bank account credit. Debtor account debit, bank account credit. That's the answer. Okay, right. Then enough for the day. Tell me that paper is done. Right. Fully completed first part. Next day we'll discuss second part. Next day we'll discuss something again regarding chapter 7, and then we will move into second paper. Next day, second part. Okay, second part of this paper. Right. Then we'll stop for the day. Right. Good night. Okay. Good night.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Good
Thank
night.
you. Good night.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Good night. Okay. Right.